Hi everybody, John Crosby here. I've worked closely with Michael Cheney for 15 months. Here's the insider scoop of what it's really like to work with him. Over the last few years, I've studied with Kern and Carlton and Kennedy and Dice, but there was always something missing. So I decided to work with Michael to fill in the gaps, the puzzle pieces that make money. At every step in the process, Michael and Supercoach John, don't call him Robin, he hates that, were first class, professional, helpful, supportive, and best of all, patient. During those 6 magical days, we made $13,905. So, what's my verdict? It was my privilege to work closely with my mentor and friend Michael for 15 months, and I plan to work closely with him on several future projects for years to come. I hope you get the opportunity to work with him too. And if you do, I'm confident you'll feel like I do. It was the best internet marketing decision you ever made.